welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming a quick little makeup tutorial on the kind of makeup that I wear during the day when I'm going to the beach, and then I'll show you how you can transition like your beach day makeup into like an evening night kind of makeup, because often like I'm chilling on the beach, I've been there all day, and then my girlfriends ring me and they're like, we're going out, get ready, we don't have long, we're gonna go straight from here to there, so I don't have much time to do my makeup again. And so I thought I'd show you a really simple makeup tutorial, and let's get started. So the first thing that I do is I just scrub my hair and pull it a bit off my face. So then I go in with my True Match foundation. Most of the time, like, I'll either use like just a tiny bit of this and a tiny bit of concealer, just because I don't want too much coverage, because I am going to the beach and I don't want to look like too made up. And so I just blend it in using a Real Techniques brush. I have had like the worst hay fever today, so my eyes are super itchy and my nose is a bit red, so I'm sorry about that. And I just blend that in, and then I take my Nars concealer, pop some of that on the back of my hand, like so. Put that around like redder areas. I love summer, but I can't stand the hay fever that comes along with it. When I was living in England, I never had hay fever. It's only when I came over here, and I think it's because the plants are different. I don't know, that's my theory. So then I blend all of that in again. Then the next thing that I go and do is get my Hula bronzer. Looks like this. Mine's quite battered. I do have a backup already because I just use it so much. I really like it. And I just take a little angled brush. This is quite a cheap one. And do a little bit of this. I'm quite tan at the moment, so you can get away, like the more tanned you are, you kind of can get away with being a bit more, less, what's the word? Less precise, far out. Less precise with your application, because your whole face is dark already. And that's what I tell myself anyway. Pop that all over. Starting to look beach ready. And then I take this little sleek palette. It's contouring and blush palette in medium. And I just take the darker shade just to create a bit more of a contour on the same brush. And I just pop that underneath my cheekbone, and the same on the other side. And under my under my chin, like so. Cool. So once I've done that, I'll generally just put a little bit of product in my brows. I don't want too much. And I've just got the Archery by Soap&Glory, but it's like on its last legs, there's not much left. But it's quite good because it doesn't go on too heavy that way. Sorry, I'm just looking in the mirror there. I generally go and pop some mascara on. So I have been wearing the Lash Sensational mascara in waterproof, and I'm not actually going to the beach today, so I'm not going to put this on, but this literally doesn't come off, which is great when you're in the water, but it's not so great when you want to take it off at night. It does take quite a while to get it off. But for now I'm just going to use my Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara, just to, because otherwise I won't be able to get it off tonight, and I'm not going to the beach, so there's no point. And I just brush that through my lashes. I don't want to make them look too over the top. And then for my lips, I am taking my very trusty and very small MAC lip pencil in Coffee, and I'm just lining my lips. It's quite a similar colour to my lips, but I like that. Just makes them look a little bit more full. Colour in the edges. Like so. And then if I feel like it, I'll take my, this is a mini, they have bigger sizes, but this is Benefit Hula lip gloss. Pop a little bit on. And there you go. This is like a really, really, really simple makeup look that you can wear to the beach. If you don't want to go like barefaced and you want to, I don't know, look a bit bronzed and a bit, you know, done. And so then from this point, I will now show you how to do my night makeup. And I might speed this part up because it might be a little bit longer.